Hi everyone, this is Anti. Today is episode number 5 for Life and Wealth Mastery Series. And this week, I would like to share with you what I learned about the Triad. What is the Triad? It's pretty much a triangle that we learn at the Tony Robbins group. It's about your physiology. It's about the language that you tell yourself and what you focus on. So with this triad, it's like a magical triangle that you can change instantly how you feel or what you want to focus on, and pretty much work on how to shift from old belief to a new belief to get you up to the peak state. And pretty much the main thing about this triad is that if there's day, and I'm sure we all have doubts, depression, or we don't feel like get out of bed because of the certain limiting belief that we have in our head. So let's say you have a project like coming up, but in some thoughts inside your head feel like, oh, I'm not good enough. Don't we all feel that way? Sometimes we've been there, right? We feel that way. I'm not good enough. Or you just hear yourself telling yourself, oh, I need to learn more skills, or I'm lack of such. And first, in order for you to get out of that mindset, is to change your physiology. Physiology is number one, is how your body, how your energy, how you feel at that moment. And if you still stuck in your head, what you need to do is to change that body, or make a move, or jumping up and down, or listen to your favorite song to break that pattern, So instead of focusing on that little monkey brain telling you that you cannot do something, jumping up and down, go hit the gym, or do your morning ritual, or do something that makes you feel good, okay? And second, what you do is you want to focus on what you want, right? What is the ultimate outcome that you want to achieve for today? Or you want to focus on gratitude, like focus on what we have instead of what we lack of. Or focus on, hey, I've been to this path before. I've worked on tough project before, but I was able to came out and deliver a awesome presentation. So I want you to go back to that moment that you accomplished on that task, and you feel proud of yourself. Focus on that. And the moment you shift your focus into that, the impossible doesn't seem so much hard, right? The impossible become possible, because now you focus on, hey, I've been there, I've done it, I can do it again. So number 3, what you have to do is to watch for the language that you use, okay? And if you keep on telling yourself that, hey, I'm not good enough, I can't do something, well, you cannot do something. Your brain starts to believe it, and you start to believe it, and you're going to go numb and not taking actions. So be careful with what you tell yourself. The word choice that you use is so crucial. So one of the other thing I learned is you got to praise yourself. You got to celebrate small wins. So by that I mean, instead of telling your brain that, hey, I'm not good enough, shift that and say, you know what? I don't know the answer right now, but I will go out and find it. I have all the resources. I know everybody out there. I know who to go to get those answer or solution that you're seeking for. All you have to do is just ask. And but by just focusing on the problem that you have, you're not going to get anywhere. So be careful with the language that you use, okay? So those are the 3 elements. Let me repeat: the physiology, you need to change your emotion for that moment, so you want to get out of it. And then number 2 is the focus. You need to focus on the positivity instead of negative. And then the language is not the 3rd one on the triad, that you need to change the words choice and what you tell yourself, okay? Because your brain will believe what you say. So by changing those 3 items, you will be able to get to become a powerful individual that you want to be. So I hope this video helped you, and if you want further information about how to create this triad or learn more, feel free to reach out to me. Leave your comment below or have any questions. info@anti.com. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like, click on like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great weekend.